Hello, this is a short tutorial on how to complete the Explore project for the Passion assignment. The Explore assignment for the Passion project. So you have your 3 countries that you're interested in, and you now have your 3 interest areas. So what we are going to do is we are going to explore and find out which is the best area for you to research or gather more information on. So you do need to go down here. If you click on View Assignment, yours will look different. You should have the ability to create a doc. So please do that. And in that doc, please give it a title. So this is Passion Project Explore Assignment is the title I am going to give it. And I'm going to highlight it all. If you press Control A, that will highlight it. And over here in Styles, you're going to give it the title. Change it to the title in Styles. So that was step 1. Okay, step 2, in that style heading, we are going to use heading 1. And we are going to list the 3 countries that we are interested in. And then using the heading 2 font, we are going to list our areas of interest. So, for instance, my first country is Mexico. And then that's heading 1. Heading 2 were my interests. So I was interested in apps, ancient ruins. All right, making sure that it does stay in heading 2. Heading 2 again. And the last one is soccer teams. All right, so there I have my first country. You are going to repeat this with your other 2. So next step is to go into a Google search, and then we are going to type our country plus the plus key, and then the areas of interest. So this narrows down your search. So if I just did this randomly, Mexico apps, I would find different search information than when I would put Mexico plus apps. All right, so here, looking through, I'm going to count out the different websites that would pertain to my interests. So here's one. This is an app about getting around Mexico City, which isn't my interest. So those do not count. Popular iPhone apps would be 2. Google Play apps, they're the same website. So that's just 2. Travel app, not interested. Independent site. Nope, let's see. Successful apps, I think, was the first website, so that's just still 2. So out of all that search, on the first page, there's only 2 that really respond to apps. And that's what I'm going to put there. So next, I am going to go into it, back to the search. And after the plus, I am going to switch it to ancient ruins. So road affair is 1, travel channels 2, escape here's 3, 4 for lonely planet, 5 for mismatch, 6 for the tequila files, 7 for Benito's Mexican. The culture trip is 8, Fodor's is 9. So there were 9 websites that pertained to something I would be interested in for ancient ruins. Now, soccer teams for Mexico. All right, so one of the important qualifiers is it cannot be Wikipedia. You'll see enwikipedia.org. I do not want Wikipedia counted in, please. So the top 10s is 1, Mexican or football database is 2, the reference would be 3, The goal would be 4. ESPN would be 5. SBN Nation would be 6. I don't think that would quite count. That sounds more like opinions. Mexico Soccer would be 7. All right, so that would be 7. And then I would repeat the same thing for my other 2 countries. And then after I have done that, you are going to highlight in green the top 3 interest areas that you would like to learn more about. So for instance, after doing that, I would choose Mexican ancient ruins, the soccer teams, and for Mexico and Peru, the ancient ruins. After I've submitted that, you are finished. If you have questions, please let me know. Good luck.